Welcome to Webstyle Press. Affinity is free and it is considered the best alternative to Adobe Photoshop. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Affinity free on Windows. So go to Google and search Affinity. Click at first search result, Affinity by Canva. So Affinity is by Canva and it is absolutely free. So to download it, click Get Affinity button from top right. Create a free account. Log in with your account and then choose Mac or Windows. I have Windows, so I will select download for Windows. Now we have a few options here. MSIX 64, MSI XZ64, MSIX ARM64, MSI XZ ARM64. Select MSI XZ64 because it is most compatible and reliable option for most PCs and laptops using AMD Ryzen or Intel processors. After download is complete, run the program. Choose where you want to install Affinity. I'll go with C program files. Click install. And that's it. After it's installed, you can run it from start or by clicking shortcut at the desktop. And here we have Affinity. And here we have Affinity opened for us. To start a new document, click File, New, choose width and height, set document units to pixels. I'll go with 1000 pixels for width and height, and then hit Create Document. So this is how you can download and install Affinity on Windows. Enjoy the best alternative to Photoshop, but for free. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.